Now it's time to discuss the Mongo's find, or we can say searching in Mongo's. Okay, so using find you can select. Its working is like select query of the relational database, so where we can select a data of our own choice. Okay, so before coming to select data using the Mongo's or using the Node.js platform, okay, integrated with the both DB and JavaScript, we first open our database and search the data there. Okay, then we will come to the node and will load the JS page. So we will write Mongo. We are now in Mongo. So DBs. Okay, so we have created already multiple databases. Suppose we use university database. So switch to DB university and we will write show collections. Now we have two objects, student and students. So let's find first with the student. So we'll write db dot student dot find. If we do that, we have on the screen all the object instances, object ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6. Now come with the so this is the data. We will switch from here. Okay, sorry, one thing, I have to show you the another database data, which is use product app. So collections, we have products. Okay, so we will write db dot products dot find. So we have these products, some of which are duplicated. Okay, like dairy milk chocolate, but with different IDs. So it can happen if we are separating different colors, different packs from one another, so we can copy it. It's not a big issue, but we have duplicated it by inserting it many times. And these products were inserted using this JavaScript. Okay, so first we have connected with Mongo and then created schema and then model. So inside model we have mentioned the schema which contained the data strings. So this was a basic like a revision for you. Now we will switch from it. Okay, switch off from it, and now we will open our Node.js. So we will write cd desktop, which is saved on desktop, and then we will write node. So now we are in the inside the node. Okay, now we will load the JavaScript page. So how we load our JavaScript page? So we will write the JavaScript page name. Now it's loaded. Okay, so now we have loaded our JavaScript page. Now we have two options. Either we can do changes here that will be inserted to DBs, okay, or we can do changes here, but here we are searching for the data. Okay, so we will do it here. Now you can see here what is the model name. So model Mongo's.model t, okay, is saved in the constant product. So if I write products. So you can see we have appear the model. We have appear here model. So this is a good, because it shows that it is working properly. Then we will write like in the db we search. If we search, we write db dot products dot find. So here only we will write find. Okay, so if I click here, so I have this option. We have the product created, acknowledgement is true, but it does not show the actual data. So for showing the actual data, we will write product dot find. Okay, I write this still. Okay, so I write then data, and we will use this function console.log. We want to show our data on the. Now you can see we are searching data using the node. Okay, so data is searched here. So we have two options: either go to database, but that was already covered in our MongoDB lecture. Find using db dot object name dot find. Now how we can search a selected data? So we can write here like product dot find. Okay, we write retail. If the retail is greater than 100, we want that data only. So retail is greater or equal. If you want to be greater, so we will use GT, and if you want to make it greater and equal, so we will use E. Okay, and if I write 100 and close the parenthesis, okay, dot here this one. Okay, we'll close this and show the data on the console. Then data callback function is called, and log of data. Okay, so all is the price greater than 100. So if we make it greater than or equal to for example 400, so now only these are displayed. If you want to make if you want to display those products where here you can see it's the same product. I already discussed with you that it is copied, duplicated, but ID is different. Okay, if we want to search on the basis of quantity, we will make it greater than or equal to, suppose quantity greater than 100, quantity greater than 300. So all of these has a quantity greater than. In our DB lecture, you can go and see the detail about the operators. Like we can use the comparison operator greater than, equal, then and in. Like in is used to have multiple values, and then we can use the logical operators and or etc. So all of these are already covered. So that was all about the finding inside the Mongos. Hope you enjoyed and understood. Wait for our next video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much.